Amazon FBA product research is the #1 skill set that has allowed me to scale my Amazon FBA business to over $1.3 million. Just in the last 12 months, as you can see, my main account has done just over $800,000. My second account has done just over $524,000. And I share that with you because today I'm going to break down another 12 ways to find profitable, winning Amazon FBA products. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to dive right into it, not waste any time, and show you that first way to find a winning product. So go to Amazon and go to your competitor's listing. So let's say I sell shoe shelves, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on my competitor right here who just launched and is doing fairly well. So I'm going to click on this seller, and then I'm going to go and visit the IEEK store. And basically the strategy is spy on your competition, see and learn from your competitors. Obviously, if they are doing well, if they're selling, more than likely they have additional products, and more than likely they're going to be launching products in the future. So right here, I can see that they've got their shoe shelves, but they don't just sell that. They sell a wine holder, they have toilet paper holders, they have other additional products. Here's a napkin dispenser. Like right here, there's a list of products that I could literally come in here and I could literally copy from what they're doing, because what they're doing is already working. And I can take the effort that they have done to do product research and basically learn from them and then take their product and make it better. So this is an underrated strategy. It's one of the best strategies. So go look at your competition's storefront and see what products they're selling. And more than likely, as you can see, this seller has like 100+ products that I could literally go from and learn from and see what I could sell. So that is a great way to find winning products. The second strategy is go to trends.pinterest.com. This is where you're going to find trending products on Pinterest. You can search for keywords right here. So if you are selling wall shelves or shoe shelves or whatever, you could search for that and find related products or something similar or additional products that are trending in that similar category. You can also come right here and you can see top trends in the United States this month. You can also discover trends in the United States, and you can go growing trends. You can categorize it by date, interest, keywords, age, gender. Literally the list goes on. There's no excuse for you not to be able to find products to sell. Literally this one tool, this one website, trends.pinterest.com, you could spend hours and you could find hundreds and probably thousands of products that you could start selling right now on Amazon. So use trends.pinterest.com to find and generate these ideas. Then obviously you need to go to Amazon and verify the data. So that is the second way. The third way is we're going to use a tool called Smart Scout. I have a link down below where you guys can get a massive discount. This tool is massively underrated. Not enough people talk about it, know about it, and that is why it made the list of a great way to find a product. So this tool, basically what you can do is it's called the niche finder, and you can go over here to the filters, and literally the list goes on of how you can filter out the different products. So it's a really fancy, cool, like tons of data. And to kind of simplify it for you guys, what I like to do is I like to go to the main category and I like to select the categories that I'm eligible to sell in or the categories that I want to sell in. Then I'm going to come over here to the average numbers of sellers. I don't want to look at wholesalers or OA or RA sellers. I don't want to deal with that. So I'm going to look at more of the private label sellers, and that is going to be where there's an average of 1 sellers. Then I'm going to do an average review of max 300. And then I'm going to come over here and scroll for days of product after product. So right here, you can see literally everything. So you can see the subcategory, the main category, the monthly revenue, the top brand monthly, the top brand name right here, how many brands are underneath that. So like ski storage racks, there's only like 6 brands that are selling this type of product and they are crushing it, $168,000 per month. So that may be a category that I'm interested in. You can come down here and continue to scroll down. We've got bristle discs. I don't know what that is. Retail display cabinets seems like it has potential. Literally, you could scroll again for hours and find product opportunity after product opportunity. So this is another great way by using Smart Scout. Jumping into the fourth way to find a product is we're going to use another feature inside Smart Scout called Traffic Graph. Again, I'll put the link down below. You guys are going to want to sign up for this tool. You guys are going to get it. It's honestly dirt cheap, and the features that you can utilize is just insane. So again, let's say I am selling shoe shelves. So what you do is you type in your keyword, or you could even plug it in ASIN, then you hit search. And then from there, it's going to go in and populate frequently bought items of this particular product. So literally I can scroll right here and I can see that we've got this like hat thing. We've got this really cool hanger. We've got some storage drawer organizers right here. We've got some a belt and tie holder. Like, you could come right here and you could scroll and look again for additional products that you could potentially sell. So this is a great way to find and build around your main product. So if you're already selling one product, this is a great way to find additional products that might fit under your particular brand. So this is a super easy way, again, using Traffic Graph. As you can see, I'm literally like, there's hundreds of products, and it's kind of crazy that you can just come right here, and then from there you can dig in and do a little bit more research. So this is a super underrated strategy as well. And the fifth way to find products is go to Google and search trend spotting websites. This is where you're literally going to have unlimited resources to unlimited websites to find the best trends. So you can come right here, 5 best trending spot websites, 10 best trend spotting websites for small businesses. You click on this and then it will help you find additional trends. So it's kind of similar to Pinterest, but you're going to utilize other websites. And again, you just go to Google, type in trend spotting websites, and you can find a ton of product opportunities that are up and coming, that are trending. And this is a great way to catch some ideas before they skyrocket and take off. So the next one is we're going to go to Etsy, and we're going to browse Etsy. If it's sold on Etsy and it's not sold on Amazon, that is where you can absolutely crush it. Because if it's doing well on Etsy, just imagine the amount of volume that it could be doing on Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Etsy, and you can go to end of year deals, you can go to fashion finds, gift guides, and you can scroll through. And as you can see, you can shop different looks, shop our popular gift categories. So if you want to find a giftable type product, a wedding gift, gifts for her, so I could click on this. And again, it's just going to the site and just browsing and looking through. And you could just scroll and say, what is this? A personalized wooden guitar pick box. I guarantee right there, that is a product that is probably not being sold on Amazon, yet there's probably opportunity. And just like that, I found an idea. Here's another one, an engraved jewelry box, travel case. We've got this personalized embroidered corner bookmark. So a corner bookmark, like seriously, like I literally just spent 30 seconds and I'm like, hey, product idea, product idea, product idea. So utilize Etsy. It's extremely underrated. All of these strategies are underrated, and I hope you guys take advantage of it. And if you guys are enjoying, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment. All right, let's jump to the next strategy. So we're going to go to eBay. Again, we utilize other marketplaces, other platforms. If they're doing well there, they're going to crush it on Amazon. And Amazon is so much just more user-friendly to sell. They have the fulfillment. They have everything dialed down. The marketing on Amazon is just insane. And so we're going to go to eBay. And again, it's the same exact process. So you can come right here to the daily deals, and you can go to the different categories that you want to sell in and just start scrolling. And you're going to see what you can come across and see if there's any good product opportunities. So utilize eBay, because if it's doing well on eBay, an ancient platform, you know it's going to do good on Amazon. So that's another great way. Let's jump to the next strategy. We're just cranking these out. I hope you guys are enjoying. Let's go to Google and search Amazon movers and shakers. Okay, so Google that. And basically, this is where Amazon is showing you top trending products. So these are literally products that are crushing it on Amazon, like these up and coming new products. And you can come right here and see what are these new and upcoming products. So right here, you can click right here on that first link, and you can see Amazon movers and shakers, and you can go by category. So right here, movers and shakers in kitchen and dining. So you can click right here and you can see more. And again, there'll be a list of products. So you can come right here to movers and shakers for sports and outdoors, and it will show you a list And so again, it's just coming in here and scrolling through and seeing what you can find. So we'll come to movers and shakers in kitchen and dining, and we just scroll through, and we've got these can organizers. We've got the under sink organizers that probably has some great potential. We've got some tablecloths. I mean, you guys get the point. You can just scroll right here and find product opportunity after product opportunity, and it's just absolutely insane. And you guys have no excuse. There are so many ways to find products, and we are just getting started. We've got more. And the next one is go to Google and search Amazon handmade, and then scroll right here, and it says shop unique handcrafted gifts. And let me tell you, if they are doing well handmade, they're selling products that they can't really produce at scale, and you could somehow find a way to produce these at scale, that's where you can slide into the market and just absolutely crush it. So come to Amazon handmade, and you can shop the different categories. They have stationery and party supplies, toys and games, baby, pet. Like, again, the list goes on and the options are endless. So there's no excuse. So Amazon handmade is another great way. The next way, if you guys are just lazy and you guys are struggling and you don't want to do it, then let me and my team do it for you. We have a service for our inner circle members at AMZ Champions where we will find and handpick you a winning product delivered to you, one-of-one exclusive. So if you guys just want me and my team to literally find you a product, because we are finding hundreds every single day, we will give you a product idea for you. You don't even have to think about it. So that is another strategy. You can hire me and my team, and we will find you a winning product. We've launched hundreds of products on Amazon. I've done millions of dollars on Amazon. I know exactly what to look for, what to avoid, what to launch. And if you guys are interested and you don't even want to go through this process, then let me and my team do it. Okay, so that's another strategy. Let's jump into another one. So this is the second to last, I believe, and we are going to use Amazon, again, utilizing free resources that we already have. It's just trying to come up with the idea, and you're going to use the search bar. So you type in a random word. So literally it does not matter. Do not overcomplicate this. I typed in wall, then I hit space. Then it literally comes up with a bunch of suggested and recommended keywords. These keywords have potential, they might not. And you just go and you're like, okay, any of these are cool? I don't know. Then I'm just going to go and I'm going to go through the alphabet. So wall A. Wall art bedroom, wall anchors, wall adhesive, wall accents. Okay, I don't like that. Let's go B. Wall bookshelf, wall basket. That seems interesting. A wall basket. This seller 400 plus per month, and they have terrible ratings. So what can we do to improve this product? There's a product opportunity right there, literally with a click of a button. So go use the search term. Just type in at random. I'll type in basket, space. And just like this, a list of keywords come up. Okay, no excuses here. And then the last way to find products is by actually going to trade shows. So there is what's called the Canton Fair in China. There's different trade shows in Las Vegas. There's probably trade shows right in your local area. I went to one just recently. It was this outdoor retailer convention. It's one of the largest conventions here in Utah. I didn't even know it existed. I went, and literally you just walk the floor. There were suppliers from China. There were suppliers from India. There were literally suppliers from everywhere. And then there was also large brand owners, retailers, and you can just walk the floor and look for new ideas, new opportunities, see what other brands are doing, see what manufacturers are coming to market with. This is another fantastic way. Yes, you have to get out. A lot of these trade shows do cost money. And yeah, flying to China is very expensive. So this is one that I just like to do just when I'm like, hey, let's make a trip. The business is doing well. Let's take a write-off. Let's go on a trip and let's do product research and let's go to a trade show. This is a great way. Now, you don't need to do that. There's other ways without having to leave your house like I showed you guys. Literally, the list goes on. You just need to take advantage of it. Again, we've got all the links down below if you guys are interested in Smart Scout. If you want me and my team to find you a product, utilize these tools and resources to go out and crush it when it comes to product research. There should be zero excuse why you don't find a winning product and make your first 6 figures selling on Amazon. So go put in the work, find a product, go crush it, and we will see you in the next video.